Welcome to the course Science of Pedagogy in Primary Schools, Part 2, whose code is PRIM1703E, with a duration of 4 credits. This is a compulsory course within the specialized group aiming to train elementary school teachers at the University of Education, Ho Chi Minh City. The course Science of Pedagogy in Primary Schools, Part 2 establishes 3 course objectives. Course Objective 01. Demonstrate the pedagogical style of the primary school teachers. Course Objective 01 corresponds to the course Learning Outcomes CL01. Demonstrate the pedagogical style through the teaching strategies and assessment techniques. Course Objective 02. Develop communication and collaboration skill. Course Objective 02 corresponds to the course Learning Outcomes CL02. Participate in, plan and assess group work in a variety of working conditions. Course Objective 03. Plan and facilitate an educational activity, and assess student learning. Course Objective 03 corresponds to the course Learning Outcomes CL03 and CL04. Course Learning Outcomes CL03. Analyze the lesson plan in the direction of developing the qualities and competencies for primary school students and implement some teaching strategies for primary education. Course Learning Outcomes CL04. Analyze the assessment plan and use assessment techniques and tools to assess teaching and student learning that aims at developing qualities and competencies for primary school students. This course consists of 7 parts, of which the first 3 parts belong to Module 1. The first module focuses on theories and methodologies of teaching in primary schools. The first part is general teaching and learning problems in primary school. In this part, learners learn about teaching process in primary school, including concepts, characteristics, natures, structures. Teaching content in primary school, including concepts, principles of building teaching content, principles of teaching in primary schools. Teaching process in primary school, including concepts, characteristics, natures, structures. Teaching content in primary school, including concepts, principles of building teaching content, principles of teaching in primary schools. Overview. Classification. Some basic teaching methods in primary schools. The third part is design and organize teaching activities in primary schools. In this part, learners learn about lesson plans in primary schools. Design a lesson plan in primary schools. Organize teaching activities in primary schools. Module 2 consists of the last 4 parts. This module focuses on assessment in primary schools. The 4th part is an overview of assessment in education. In this part, learners learn about some basic concepts. Purposes of assessment in education. Position and roles of assessment in education. Types of assessment in education. Innovation trends of assessment in education. The 5th part is objectives, requirements, content, and form of assessment of learning activities of primary school students. In this part, learners learn about objectives of assessing primary school students' learning activities. Requirements in assessing primary school students' learning activities. Content and forms of assessing primary school students' learning activities. The sixth part is methods and techniques of testing and assessing the learning activities of primary school students. In this part, learners learn about assessment methodology, techniques of testing and assessment, procedure of designing a test. The last part is the process of assessing primary school students' learning activities. In this part, learners learn about develop an assessment plan, select or build tools, test the tool, implement assessment, process and analyze results, synthesize, store, report and respond to assessment results.
Wish you the best.